Hey, you want to breach this? I got him, I got him. Shit. Oh, nice hit, bro, nice hit.
It is a lot. And you got yelled at for jumping over.
Who? Jumping over.
One of our guys shot a guy from over the top of that.
I did.
Well, he told me someone like jump shot him. Yeah, if you can physically see over it, that's fine.
Hello everybody, I'd like to give a special thanks for Black Ops Airsoft for having me come out again for another free game. On the other hand, this Winter Wonderland really offered a different play experience than what I'm normally used to, mainly because I don't really play in the snow, or I've never really got a chance to do much competitive play in the snow. Pretty much, my whole play style was kind of flipped upside down. I couldn't move as quietly as I wanted because every step I took was a crunch. So I ended up doing a lot of rushing and not worrying too much about stealth, but always staying on the move. So I really hope you enjoy these couple kill streaks I get, as well as just some of the funny moments I captured. And like always, let's get right into this.
Two, there's one more. He didn't see me. You're good, you're good. Jake. Come on, bro. Green. Good trigger discipline though. Oh, so lucky. Oh. Some help would be nice. Chill. You're good, go. Holy shit. I know, they didn't even pass the window. Nice hit, bro, nice hit. He's dead. Hey, watch out. Wow, building in front of us. What?
I've got the green building covered. You keep that fire up.
Gotcha. Got him.
Good try, good shot.
One more corner, our building.
Okay, I see. I'm gonna run over. Yeah, you wanna move up slowly? I'll get you covered out. I'm stepping out wide.
One guy corner. Hey, the corner right there. You see his gun? Hey, guy around the corner right there. Oh, who friendly fired me? Assholes? No! I was so close!
No, you're right there! That was a good game.
I can only do so much.
That was a good
Good game, guys. We're taking this. Let's go to the hill and go down it.
What hell? Oh, that one?
Oh my god, this is heavy as a...
Oh shit.
Okay, come on, dude. Let's go. Hold this. Just hit you in the face.
Daddy?
Yeah, I'll do it somewhere. Oh, we got things to do.
Are you gonna fall down?
Hell yeah.
You might want to come down this way. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, where it's steep. Let's go. Woo! All right, let's go. Oh shit. Huh?
Are you green?
I'm green, man. I'll trade of you though.
I'm just taking that shit.
I know. We're scared the shit out of each other. No. I could go. Oh shit. Nope, no one's there. Yeah. That's a wall.
Oh yeah. Shit. That's where
Yeah, totally. Let's. Fine. I'll actually go in the woods for once.
I'm gonna go.
We'll see how it turns out. Oh, bet! There's no good snow! No. Get the snow! Ah, you both missed!
You bitch!
I know what I'm doing. Oh my god! Be careful, be careful! Dude! There's no water, just run, just be careful, it'll break.
Oh my god.
I know!
Dude, that shit's so fucking scary. You can feel it getting ready to break.
I know, dude.
Oh god. I didn't think you should know. Did you get them?
Yeah. My right big toe is like numb, bro. I could break that shit off like Pirates of the Caribbean.